friends, let's go ahead and make our leprechaun craft. Now, in your craft bags, I want you to find a little bag, and I already took mine out, but it's a little bag like this that has all your pieces in it. So you're going to take that out. You're going to take out your glue stick, a pair of scissors, and also a marker. So I have just a black marker, but you can use whatever colors you want. Okay, let me show you. And I already cut out all of my pieces, so I'm just going to show you how you glue them together. So you can watch this, you can pause it, do whatever you need to so that you can make this craft. Okay, so you can see that I have all my pieces here. Now, you might want to put some of your pieces in your plastic bag if you did what I did, which was to cut them all out. So I'm going to put my shoes back in, my hands, my yellow square. I'm going to put, actually, I'm going to leave my yellow square out. I'm going to put my shirt and my legs back in for now, because I'm going to start with the head. And I'm just putting them in here so that I don't lose any of my pieces. So here we have the head. Now, when I cut out, you can see I still have a little bit of my black lines. And if I don't want to see those, I'm just going to flip this right over. So let's start with gluing our hair on first. So I'm going to put glue just right across the top of my leprechaun's head and glue my hair on right across the top. Oof, I did it a little crooked there, huh? All right, there we go. Okay, and then across the bottom, we're going to glue on his leprechaun beard. All right, then we're going to glue his hat on right across the top over his hair. That's why I did the hair first. And we're going to glue this yellow square right in the middle of his hat, like it's the buckle in the middle. I'm going to make it look more like a buckle, and I'm going to draw a little black square right in the middle and color that in so it looks kind of like a hole. Then I'm going to add my eyes and my leprechaun smile. Maybe I add a little nose. There's my wee little leprechaun head. Okay, let me show you now how we add our shirt and our legs on. I'm going to take one piece at a time. I'm just going to take the shirt out. I'm going to glue his head right to the top of my shirt. Now with your legs, you can either just keep them nice and long. If you want super duper long leprechaun legs, I think I want to accordion fold mine. So I fold down, flip it, fold down, and I'm going to keep flipping and folding it. Boop, and it's like a little accordion. So I'm going to do that for my other leg now. I fold it down, down. Okay, then I'm going to glue his legs to his shirt. Onto the back. One leg, two legs. Awesome. Now my pieces that I have left, I have my hands and my shoes. I'm going to glue his little shoes on the bottom. We don't want our leprechaun walking around barefoot. It's too cold out for that. And his hands at the end of his sleeves. Now I know the hands are tricky to cut out, so you can just do your best with cutting those out. Okay, we have one last piece, and you can choose where you want to glue this on. You could glue it on his hat if you want. I'm going to glue it so it looks like my leprechaun's holding the shamrock. And my arms actually kind of already have folds in it because the way it was in our bag. And I want to make it look like he's holding the shamrock. So I'm going to glue the shamrock right to his hand. Now, you can do it another way if you want. You don't have to make it look like he's holding the shamrock if you don't want to. But now I have my little leprechaun. And with his hands glued, you know what? He can't do any tricks on anyone. All right, first graders, I hope you have fun crafting your little leprechaun.